Tell all my competition that I love them, but I brought them back just to kill them again. Tell all the listeners that I said fuck them if they thought I'd never be breathing again. I keep some drinking the cup in case anyone gets...
Yo, what's happening, guys? I'm just going to show you how to change your knob to a nice new carbon fiber Mugen shift knob. It's not too bad. Carbon fiber, little red band around it. Pretty heavy. Seems nice. So guys, as you can see, my knob is pretty worn out at the moment. So I'm going to change that. Stick on a new one. Hopefully it'll be a lot better. See what happens. Alright guys, pretty simple. Grab the 14mm, stick it on your knob, hold it in place, give it a push down, it'll crack the nut. Just twist your knob off. Wait, give it a good old twist. There's your old knob, pretty simple. Now we're going to throw this new one on. It comes with a couple of little adapters. Find out which one you need. If you get the bag open, that is. What you have to do is simply screw it on, whichever one fit. Oh, there we go, good guess. Straight away. Screw the new one on. Put your knob on top. Screw it down. That's at the bottom. Loosen up, get where you want it. Grab your 14mm again. Hold it in place. Tighten it up. Make sure it's straight. That's it. New knob complete. That's it. New knob on. Sorted. Give it a little look. Gonna do a little comparison. As you can see, compared to the original one, definitely a bit bigger. People say you're not that amount, but that's definitely a bit bigger. The original does feel heavier, but I do like the look of the new one. Feels a lot smoother, a lot easier compared. That is bad. I don't know who had it before, but they